Hi, kurumicooks here. This is my Futomaki Large Sushi Rolls recipe. I hope you check it out. Start by measuring out 2 cups of Japanese rice. Rinse the rice several times. Until the water is clear. Next, slice up 90 grams of shiitake mushrooms. Put the shiitake in a small saucepan. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, cook over a medium heat. Stir the shiitake mushrooms until there's almost no liquid left. Now to make some tamagoyaki egg roll. Break 3 eggs into a jar or bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of mirin, a sprinkle of salt, then whisk together. Pour about 1/3 of the egg mixture into a hot, oiled pan. Let a skin form in the pan. Pop any blisters. Use a spatula to carefully roll the egg roll to one side of the pan. Pour in another 1/3 of the egg. Gently lift the cooked egg roll to get the raw egg underneath like this. Move the tamagoyaki a little to prevent sticking. Once the skin has formed, roll your tamagoyaki over a second time. Then add the last of egg mixture. When the skin has formed, roll over the tamagoyaki. Prepare a 8 cm piece of cucumber, slicing longways like this. Discard the seeds in the middle of the cucumber. Then cut into matchsticks. Now for the sushi rice. Put your cooked rice into a large bowl. Add 3.5 to 4 tablespoons of sushi vinegar. Gently mix together. Slice the tamagoyaki into 5 strips longways. Get your sushi mat ready. Place a nori sheet on the mat. Smooth out a layer of rice onto the mat like this. Leave about 2 cm space at the top of the nori sheet. Lay 3 seafood sticks like this. Then a strip of tamagoyaki like this. Add cucumber matchsticks. And shiitake mushroom over the tamagoyaki. Now hold the bottom of the sushi mat and roll up like this. Give the roll a squeeze to get a nice shape. Unroll. One more squeeze. Your first roll is finished. Take another look if you wish. Smooth out your eyes. Add seafood sticks. And tamagoyaki. Cucumber. And shiitake. Roll from the bottom of the mat. Squeeze to form the roll. And roll number 2 is done. Repeat for another roll. Use a sharp knife to trim the ends. Then slice into 8 to 9 pieces. Plate up. Serve with soy sauce and enjoy. Futomaki Large Sushi Rolls. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here. See you again soon.